lads, welcome back. As I've just said, we're back, and we're back big time. Here I am with my new Mercedes A-Class A200. I'm doing a quick video on this Mercedes A-Class, basically just doing a review, a test drive, and telling you all about it, and why I bought it. So without further ado, let's get into it. So, the reason, I'm going to tell you a bit more about the car. The car is a 1.8 A200. I'm just going to give you a quick launch now of this strip, just to show you what it's about. And yeah, so we can stick it in sport mode because this is an automatic 7-speed. So yeah. Only 140 brake, but it feels a lot faster, like a lot faster. So yeah, I'm going to switch it back over to the head cam now, and I'll just do a test review. So yeah, let's get into it. So this is the return of A to Z motoring. We've got lots of content up our sleeves. As you know, we've got a big one coming as we've been building a Porsche, which will be coming. Should be, I'm not going to tell you, but we've got content coming. I've just bought this A200 for myself. This is an automatic 7-speed, as I just said, with different modes. It's got sport mode, eco mode, and it's got manual mode with the flappy paddles, which if you see now, I'm in second, and that's like knocking it down. You can knock it down gears. You know what paddle shifts are, so I'm not going to get into it. In the ends of Rotherham at the moment. So this is where we are at the minute. So yeah, it's got 7 gears, which is quite good. It's fuel efficient. I get about 40 to 45 miles per gallon. So yeah, if I knock it back into eco mode, you can see it's pretty. It does stick to the floor, this too. I do like it. The handling is really good. Why you should buy an A-Class? They've got a really finished off, nice interior. They've got nice bucket seats. Depends on the spec you get. Mine's an AMG Sport. Loads of mods you can do. It's not the petrol A45 engine, but it is what it is at the end of the day. This one doesn't have launch control, but I can show you kind of a launch. I will in a minute. I do like the finish of the A-Classes inside. They're probably one of the best interiors out there for a price, for not as much money, depending on what the age is of the vehicle. What else would you like? We can do top 10 mods for stuff. That'll be coming on this one, definitely. We've also got another project, which is a Caddy on its way. Installed the red vents, which is a nice finish too. They've got nice centre consoles. We've got a nice centre console, which is a pretty nice. Weather's getting worse and worse. Fiesta ST. I like the gear changes on these too. They're to say it's a diesel, it's got a nice sound, which I'll show you in a minute. You probably can hear already, but it has got a very nice sound to it. And we'll find out. With it being a diesel, I can't really put an exhaust system on it, as I don't want it sounding like a tractor. It's got 18-inch AMG line alloys, what I like to see. You gotta watch out for drivers and all these days. There is some dodgy drivers. But yeah, if you've got any ideas, any tips on how I'm recording the YouTube I'm doing, any tips on it would be much appreciated too. But if you've got an A-Class, tell me what your opinion on them is. Like, what do you think to it? What's the drive like? Do you like the drive? Right, thanks for watching today. My review on the A-Class. Also, make sure to follow us on TikTok, which is that. Make sure to follow the TikTok, and also make sure to add the Snapchat. Over to you, Wayne.
Yeah, just to let you know about a couple of projects we've got coming up. We've got a brand new Porsche on order. We're going to spec that and show you lots of content on that one. That'll be coming in the next 2 or 3 weeks. Then we've got some VW projects, some caddy vans. So yeah, look forward to seeing you soon.
We'll catch you next time.